Hello, it's Georgia Personal Injury and Workers' Compensation attorney Jack Clay. I've been thinking about the worst things that people can do for their cases that I've seen throughout the years. I call these things case killers. And high on my list of case killers is inconsistent medical treatment or gaps in treatment. What this means is you go to the doctor once, the doctor wants you to come back in a month, and you just can't get around to seeing the doctor for 4 or 5 months, or you miss physical therapy or chiropractic appointments. This can be deadly to a case. So I want to talk to you about how to avoid perhaps the number one case killer, which is gaps in treatment. Thank you for joining me. First, just like anything in life, you have got to keep your medical appointments and be proactive in your medical care. And here's what I mean. When the doctor tells you to come back at a certain time for an appointment, do it. This may seem elementary and basic, and you may be wondering, why is this attorney out there telling me this? Well, here's the answer. This is perhaps one of the most disregarded pieces of advice that I give my clients that they just don't follow on occasion. You need to go to the doctor regularly, and you need to follow the doctor's advice. Now, I'm not saying follow the doctor's advice if perhaps surgery is recommended and you're nervous about it. It's always okay to get a second opinion. But when you don't go to treatment and you miss treatment, especially in the areas of doctor's appointments, physical therapy, and even chiropractic care, it looks really bad for your case. Second, if you have significant gaps in treatment, it will adversely affect your case, and the other attorney or the insurance company will make your gap in treatment look significant. And here's what I mean. I remember trying a case years ago where my client did not go to the doctor as regularly as he should have. What the defense attorney did when we went to trial in the case was they put up a timeline of the client's medical care, and they started here on day 1. And for example, the client had to come back in a month or 2 according to the doctors and the notes, but the client didn't come back for 4 or 5 months, 6 months. And you saw these gaps in treatment, and it made the client look like they were inconsistent in their medical care. And more importantly, it made the client look responsible for not getting better because they missed these doctor's appointments. And it was not good for the case. Finally, if you have questions about what doctor to see or how often you should go to the doctor, or if you have a large gap in treatment and you're concerned about getting medical care and you don't have the insurance or the money to pay for it, please call us for a free consultation. We are conveniently located across the street from the Douglas County Courthouse, where we serve all of Metro Atlanta, handling cases in the area of personal injury, automobile accidents, workers' compensation, truck collisions, and construction accidents. Finally, rest assured that it's not too late if you've had some gaps in treatment and you haven't been to the doctor in a while. There are ways to resurrect these cases and to get you feeling better and put your case on the right track. But please call us or another competent attorney for a consultation. Thank you for joining me.